Welcome to my channel. This is kind of like my try-on monthly favorites or tries tutorial style, where I show you the product and tell you a bunch of details about it, why I love it, why it's in my monthly favorites, and how long I have been using it. So if you want to see how I did this face or what is on this face, including skincare, you just keep on going. Alright, so today I came up with an idea, and I really pray and hope that it's not on YouTube, but it probably is because everything's on YouTube now, nothing is original. But I'm just going to be using my monthly favorites and explaining a little bit about why I like them so much. And if you want to just see a plain old simple me showing you the item, you can go to the link below that says previous video and it will be there. I will be uploading these at the same time every last day of the month, and I will try to make them like kind of month related, but you know, I can't make promises on that part. So if you want to see my monthly favorites, just keep watching. You gonna get there right now. First thing we're gonna use in the monthly favorite is the Peach and Lily pads. So these have been clutch. This is awesome when you want to take off any sweat or dirt. I usually don't wash my face as soon as I get up if I'm not going anywhere, which is now because I am off from school, not doing anything in particular. So I just wipe my face with this in the morning, and then like when I'm doing my makeup, I also do my neck with this. I don't know why. I just have this whole neck infatuation where I have to scrub my neck, and of course my neck is dirty. Plus that's like the one place I forget to take off my makeup from with makeup remover. I usually just wash my neck in the shower afterwards, so there's usually some leftover foundation on my neck. So that was the first product. I do have a review of this on my channel. There's some things from this brand that I don't like, believe it or not, and it's in the video. Next on my monthly favorite is this. If you watched any of my videos, this was in my Ulta haul, so this is new. I think I did that Ulta haul either May or April, and I start April because I started using it in May. And at first it's kind of tricky when you don't know how to do like a professional perfect brow, but it works and it is the best to do my eyebrows with. It's better than the pencil, which I only use the pencil to kind of just mark up some of my brows here. So you see the difference? It's still natural. It's not like very heavy, very crazy. They're like, it's not much of a difference, but sometimes when I have so much makeup on, I just want, you know, that extra bam. And if I want some more, I'm just gonna fill in the middle here between, and that will do even more justice. So depending on how heavy the look is, that's how I do my brow. And I recently just started doing my brow like this because I used to just fill the whole thing in, and I looked like a Helga. I mean, I've always had a problem with brows. Even back in the day, my brows used to be freaking huge because I wouldn't pluck them. And one of my homegirls was literally like, let's go, you're getting your eyebrows threaded. And I did it, and I love it. I mean, imagine me having thicker brows than this. It was insane. Another product that I really love that I'm not going to use, but it's included, I didn't want to leave you guys out, is this Murad acne corrector, like spot treatment. And I love the Mario Badescu. I think it's amazing. I love it. But you're not gonna go outside with a pink dot on your face when you need to do something important. You just look retarded. And it leaves like very flaky, like pink flakes on your face. So if you wanna go out in the morning, like just fresh, and just wash your face real quick, and nothing's like, you don't have to work on getting it off. Or sometimes I forget. Like I said, I'm not perfect. I don't wash my face every morning. I forget. So this is clear, and that's why it's such, like, because it's clear. Now, my third favorite is this Dermablend Jelly Primer. This is just, it changed my life. It makes my foundation also just stick to my face, which I always had a problem with foundations laying on my skin rather than blending into my skin. And this just, it worked wonders. The item related to foundation that I put in is this blue Beauty Blender. I think it's called Beauty Blender Defender. And this, you just put your little beauty blender inside and you cap it. And you don't have to close it all the way, so you could fit some little ones on the top. You could probably fit another one and squish them together. But the reason I like this is because this, when I put it wet into my desk, it just stains everything. Like, for what? So this is convenient, and the only thing that I wish is it had a flat bottom, so you could just... Alright, so I'm back with my next item, and if you're surprised, I'm not. This palette is just awesome. I mean, I bought this palette with my own money, just like everything else in this video, just so you know. But it's awesome because you have all those color combos preset for you, but there's also very few mattes. So, I mean, I think most of us have mattes. That's just kind of what the trend is now. And you know what? I hate shimmers. Honestly, like, I just hate shimmers. I hate anything with just even a little bit of shimmer in it when it comes to eyeshadow. But this one, it's almost all shimmers, and it's amazing. Like, it's a palette that you can travel with and just go. So I'm gonna create a quick eye look with that, and I'm gonna do one eye fully so you can see what it comes out like, and the other eye on camera. Wow, I didn't even record that. Aww. So another favorite is this eyeliner. It's right. So my camera died. Sorry. So basically what I was saying is I did this underneath my eyebrow. I put it over the yellow, and I also put it in my waterline. And you know what, guys? It's not for this look in the waterline. I was really hoping it would work. But you know which way it would work? If you just did half of the eye waterline in black and blended them both together, that would be great. So, you know what I'm gonna do? I think that works much better. It just completes the whole eye, if you know what I mean. Last favorite of the month, which I believe is the 10th favorite, is the Kylie One Wish lipstick. And this isn't just like, it's not my favorite because of the formula. The formula's okay. It's not mind-blowing. It's not like, ooh, awesome, great, you know. It stays on forever. And my lipstick's crooked, excuse me. This is when my camera died. Now I remember. You have to have soft lips to do it. They have to be hydrated. It's like a lipstick, you have to prepare for it. And, you know, like, I don't know about you, but me, I don't want to be prepared for nothing. Like, I want to have everything on the spot, instant gratification. Like, just, I need it, like, now, and that's it. So, this lipstick, I usually put it on, and my lips end up, like, crying for my help. But today is going good. Also, I've been using charcoal toothpaste, and it's not like the US brand. It's like, it's in Poland. They sell it in Poland somewhere, and I can't stop looking at the monitor because my teeth aren't the best since I used to smoke, and they're getting better from this toothpaste. Plus, it makes me want to brush my teeth. Thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. And I hope I see you again. This is really fun to do, and it can only get better if you hit the subscribe button. It will allow me to do giveaways, and it will allow me to give back to whoever watches. On my 100 mark, I will do a giveaway, a mini giveaway, and then on my 1000 mark, I will do a full, like, proper giveaway, if you know what I mean. So yeah, just stick around, keep on watching, and come back next time. You know, we're here to sit, chillax, get ready together, or not. Or we just here to watch me at 3 in the morning. You know, that's something I do, you know. You come here for whatever reason you come here. We don't judge up in this channel. At least, you know, we try, because we're just humans. This is getting too long. Deuces.